Hi, welcome again. In this video, I would like to introduce how to use JASP in terms of the file and also the basic functions. Yeah. So if you have installed JASP and when you open it, you will see this page, and then we can see it from here at the top left corner. You can open files. Yeah, either recent file or from your computer. Open source open science framework. For this you have to have an account, yeah, where you can store your own data and share your data with other people, yeah, or you can open it from a data library. Yeah, so if you want to take this software for a spin, maybe we can start with a descriptive analysis. So we click on descriptive, and then we click any one of this. Yeah, so I'll click that. So what you can see here at the top are the icons, yeah, for descriptive analysis, t-test, ANOVA, mixed model regression, frequencies, and also factors. And in fact, you can add another icon at the top by clicking on this blue plus sign. You can add another module. Yeah, so we have different things here. So for example, reliability, SEM, and so on. Yeah, but for now we'll just leave it as it is. Yeah, and now we want to have a look at this. This may look familiar for people who are used to working with SPSS. Yeah, so the layout of the data is more or less the same. You have the respondents in the rows, yeah, and then in the column here we have a variable called extra, group, and another one is ID, and you can change the scale of the measurement for the variables by clicking on the sign, or sorry, the icon. Yeah, so if this is in fact an ordinal scale, then you can change to ordinal scale. Yeah, so you can change it directly by clicking on the icon. Yeah, so we have the data, and actually you cannot really change the data here. Yeah, but if you have the source data, perhaps in Excel or in SPSS, you can make the changes in Excel or in SPSS, and then you can link the data or synchronize the data with the source. Yeah, but here it's not in the option, because I've just retrieved this data from the library. I won't bother searching for the file, but you can synchronize your data. So whenever you change the data in Excel or in the SPSS file, then the changes will occur also in this JASP file. Yeah, but you cannot really edit. Sorry, yeah. So it show an error message. Yeah. Okay. We'll explore how to manipulate the data later on. Yeah, but in this introduction, I just want to provide an overview of what you can do with JASP. Yeah. So with this, we will look at an analysis of descriptive statistics. So click on descriptive here. Yeah, and you see the data has been hidden. Yeah, but you can always get it back by clicking on the gray triangle here. So just look at the analysis windows again. Yeah, so this is the analysis area, and on the right we have the results area. So you can see that we have the table already presented here. Of course, the tables are empty because we have not entered any variable to be analyzed. So take a good look at what happens over here once we enter a variable into the box over here. So you can see it's almost instantaneous that you have the descriptive statistics in the table. Yeah, so you have the default descriptives include the number of valid observations, missing values, the mean, the standard deviation, minimum, and also the maximum. Yeah, so you don't have to switch back and forth between your analysis mode and your results mode, yeah, or the results view. You can see both, and I think if you have a big enough screen, you can have a look at both sides conveniently, yeah. And actually, that's not all for the descriptive statistics, because if you go, you scroll a bit lower, you can also, for example, here, frequency table. But this is for nominal and ordinal variable. Yeah. So if you let me maximize this. Yeah. If you go a bit lower, you can have plots. Yeah. You have scatter plot, box plot, and distribution plots. Distribution plot is also known as histogram. Yeah. So if we click on that, then we'll see the histogram of here. Maybe the view is too restrictive in this display, but you can click the gray triangle so that you can get a better view of the histogram. Yeah, so the histogram is you can in fact copy and then paste onto Microsoft Word or some other word processing software. Yeah. So we have other functions that you can explore, and then you can also choose the statistics that you want. For descriptive statistic, we can get the median. So you notice that median is added or was added to the table just now. You can also describe the distribution in terms of skewness, kurtosis. Yeah. So you can check the normality of the data distribution. Yeah, so there's so many descriptive analysis that you can do. Yeah, and then if you are happy with what you have done, you can copy each output, or you can copy everything and then paste them into a word processor. Yeah, and you can in fact save. Yeah, save the output so that you don't have to do it again and again and again every time you open the file. Yeah, so you can get the output saved here the next time that you open the file. Okay, so that's it for now. I'll see you again in another video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.